we'll discuss about that. Okay, in the class 10th biology chapter 1, flow chart of human digestive system. Okay, when we intake the food, how digestion the process is going on. Flow chart of human digestive system. Okay, very clear. Everything I am going to explain you very clear. This is also very important. In human, okay, how when we are taking in food, how it digest in the stomach, okay, and esophagus, okay, small intestine, large intestine, and other, okay. So first we have to take the food, okay, and then going to mouth, and then after that buccal cavity and larynx and esophagus and stomach and duodenum and small intestine, after that large intestine, rectum and anus, and exist outside. In duodenum is what is having liver and pancreas. Clear? Liver and pancreas. Those having that. So coming to the process by which food is broken down into smaller molecules per body to absorb digestive. What is the process when we have intake the food? Okay, the process by which food is broken down into smaller molecules for body to absorb digestions. Okay. Injection means the act of eating or feeding food. So already you seen that flow chart of human digestive system. Okay, what is having those you know, that is food, mouth, okay, buccal cavity, larynx and esophagus, stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum and anus. Okay, so that is the process by which food is broken down. When we are taking the food, what is the process? A process by which food is broken down into smaller molecules for body to absorb digestive. When we are taking mouth, what we have to do? Break down smaller pieces or smaller molecules, whatever that we are taking food, and for why? For body to absorb the digestive. Okay, injection, okay, taking the act of eating or feeding, that is injection means the act of eating or feeding. Stages of food processing. What is the stages having? We have to see stages of food processing. First, digestion. Two types is having mechanical digestion and chemical digestion having. Okay, I am going to explain about both also. Mechanical what and chemical what is the digestion. Absorption what animal cells take up. Take up means absorb small molecule, that is amino acids. What is that? Amino acids, sugar and fats, etc. Elimination and excretion. Last, that is process. Undigested material pass out of the digestive system. Okay, these are steps. And coming to next process. So chemical and mechanical and chemical digestion. Okay, what is the oral cavity and pharynx and esophagus? Injection and initial steps of digestion occurs in mouth or oral cavity. What is that? The oral cavity. Okay, three is process in the injection or initial means starting steps of the digestion where is occur in mouth, occurs in mouth or oral cavity. What is that? And then chemical digestion by saliva. Chemical digestion by saliva. Saliva means what? Break carbohydrates. That is in a salivary glands. Ulnus or lips, you can say. Tongues. That is that in mouth tongues. That is convert food into bolus. Food convert into bolus. Okay. Tongues is convert. Okay. That food into bolus. Okay. And next to coming to digestion, the stomach. Okay, digestion, the stomach. So pouch like J-shaped organs. Okay, digestion stomach. How is that? That is pouch. Okay, stomach is a like pouch. That is a J shape, which is that is pouch. Okay, stomach is pouch like which shape, that is J shape. J-shaped organ. Okay, you have to remember digestion of stomach is pouch. That is a pouch like which shape, that is J-shaped. Secretes. What is that? Digestion of fat cells, gastric juice. Okay, J-shape, that is stomach. What is having? Digestive fluid called gastric juice. What is the gastric juice? Digestive fluid. Digestive fluid. Digestive fluid we call that is a gastric juice. Gastric juice. Gastric juice mixed with food to make chin. Okay, gastric juice that is mixing, okay, with food. This is mixed with food. Okay, and make, what is the making? That is make chin. Okay, that is make chin. And then that is in that, what is having? Hydrochloric enzymes, mucus and gastrin. Okay, enzyme means that is a pepsin lipses, and gastric is what? That is having converting, that is hormone. Okay, and HCl, what is that? Hydrochlorine and enzyme and mucus and gastrin. So enzyme is a pepsin, pepsin lipsin. Okay, and gastrin is having, that is a hormone. Okay, and HCl pH value is what? pH value is 2. pH value is 2 HCl, and this is low pH value. HCl while pH value is 2. That is a low pH unfold protein and expose peptide bonds, and also HCl. Okay, disturb extracellular matrix. Okay, and absorption in the stomata is limited, water, alcohol, aspiration, etc. And function of stomata. What is the function? That is about the stomach. And function means working of stomach. Functions of stomach. Okay, what is the function? It stores food. Okay, what is that? It stores food, that is 2 to 6 hours. How many hours? 2 to 6 hours. And it breaks down fat and proteins. Okay, stomach is, okay, breaks down fat and protein. What is that? Stomach stored food, that is 2 to 6 hours, and it breaks down fat and proteins, and it empties partially digest food into the duodenum. Okay, that is small intestine. What is the next point? It empties partially digested food. Okay, that is digested food means that is converted to chimney. okay, into the duodenum. Okay, duodenum. Okay, converted into that is duodenum. And duodenum we have, that is after that small intestine having, what is that, small, after that small intestine, you know, that is in a flow chart, small intestine. After that convert going to the small intestine and digestion in the small intestine. After that, this is about the some function of stomach. Okay, what is that? Stomach, digestion of stomach pouch. Remember again, digestion of stomach pouch like a J-shaped organs secrete digestive fluid called gastric juice mixed with food to make the chimney, and is having digestive of the stomach having HCl enzymes and mucus and gastritis. That is pH is 2. That is, so pH is 2. This is the low pH unfold protein and exposed peptide bonds. Also here HCl disturb extracellular matrix. And then what is the absorption in stomach is limited water. What is the absorption? Stomach, water, alcohol, respiring, etc. Okay, and function of the stomach is this. What is the function? Working, it is stored food 2 to 6 hours. It broken down fat and proteins. It empties partial digested food and into duodenum. After that, coming to intestine.